How to connect your wallet to Foxify and sign in general. Go to foxify.trade, then click the Launch App button. This opens up the main page. Just make sure to connect your wallet in the top right. Choose the wallet that you have, in my case Rabby. Unlock your wallet if it isn't already. Then you'll get a few steps that you need to complete, like create your account, enable trading, a referral code optional. So click on create account. This will give you one and then a second pop-up. Just confirm them. Ignore the error message on top. And then click away the connect wallet screen and you'll see that you've connected your wallet successfully.